Hi, I hope you are doing good. So in this video, I'm going to showcase you one of the section which I have uh, added in my website. So it is a section of premium cargo 3 templates, and from here you can purchase the template as per your requirement. Currently it has only two, but I'll be adding more unique templates related to different categories like artist and creative agency, like this. So one of the template is Creative Heaven. As you can see, I have opened the link. You can go here in the description and check the website. If you will refresh the site, you will see a loader will pop up. It is it will be visible for the few seconds. So it is basically a screen which comes for a few seconds. You can control the duration, that how long you want to keep this preloader, uh, how many second you want to show this to the user. And it is not something like if your website will completely load, then it will be removed. It is not like that. You need to manually set the duration. Currently it is uh, uh, I guess around 2 seconds. So make these are the things which I already want to mention, so that before you purchase the template, so everything is clear to you. I want to keep the transparency. The second thing is the dark mode. Here you can see that it has, as this template has the dark mode feature. uh, as you can see, if I go to any other pages, suppose I go to the archive page, it will have the dark mode. Now let's talk about the project page. So as you can see, this is the project page, and when hovering on the project title, or if you will hover the project here, it is going to automatically change in the left size and the vice versa, and it is going to auto scroll to the to that particular project as well. So this thing is coming dynamically. You just need to add the projects, and it is going to show the project title and the year. You need to mention the year as well. uh, like if it is related to particular year, and it is going to show your projects in a mm, in this format, like for the current year, then it will show the rest of the year. So this is how uh, it is. It is basically using thumbnail index, but it is not the default cargo thumbnail index. So if you want to use the cargo 3 default thumbnail index, then mm, uh, either you can use this one in your site, or you can use the default thumbnail index. You cannot use both of them at the same time. So that's the thing I also want to mention. After that, if you will click on any of the project page, it will open the project page. As you can see, it is just a dummy page, and you can see this is a mm, custom gallery, and you can see that it changes the arrow. If you will uh, slideshow arrow, if you will go to the left or right side, and it is going to automatically change the mm, below number of pictures as well. It So that is the one thing. And the other project pages are uh, also same. There is nothing much difference. It has the same thing, and you can see that the dark mode is working. Then we have the archive section, and in the archive uh, we have the uh, horizontal scrolling, and if you will scroll the mouse wheel, it is going to uh, move it horizontally. uh, the thing is that this is also created using custom code, and if you will click on any of the image, you can link it uh, with the other pages as well. So this one is one of the page, and it is created using custom code. So to change it, you need to change the image source in the code. I'll be providing you uh, the course which I have, which is the mm, Cargo 3 course. If you will purchase this template, you will be getting this 2 hour of premium course as well for free, and you will be also getting the uh, particular video related to this template, that how you can customize it as per your requirement. And then we have the about section. On clicking on about, it will directly it will go to the about section, which is in the home page, as you can see. As I have already told you that the either you can use the Cargo 3 thumbnail index, or uh, you can use the custom built project page. So if you see here, all the projects are also listed. So it is created using simple Cargo 3 gallery, because I cannot use the Cargo 3 index here. So I have basically added the images, and then I have linked with the pages, with the project pages. So this is the thing which I wanted to mention. uh, and it comes with, yeah, there is little bit of animation which I have added. Apart from that, yeah, I guess I have already uh, uh, told you everything. You can read the important notes section here as well. And if you are thinking of purchasing this template, then in your Cargo account you must have the Cargo 3 subscription as well, because it is going to work because the custom code is only going to work if you have Cargo 3 subscription. Apart from that, let me also show you the mobile version. So for the mobile version, I have created this header, and it comes with the, on clicking on this, it is going to show all these things. uh, on clicking project, yeah, so it has opened the project section. You can see, uh, so this one is also created using Cargo gallery, default gallery. uh, uh, y- and you can see that the dark mode is version is working. In the archive page, in the desktop version, we have the horizontal scroll, but for the mobile version, mm, let me just, for the mobile version, it is the vertical scroll. If you see that, here it is a vertical scroll, and in the home page we have listed like the mobile version. uh, so if you have any question, uh, then you can uh, mail me, or fill up the form as well. And before purchasing the template, make sure you understand everything, and so that you do not have any uh, if you have any doubt, feel free to reach me first, so that I can clear your doubt, and then you purchase. I'll highly recommend this thing, and I'll be adding more templates. Currently it has only two, but I'll be adding more in futures. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you so much.